Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox something special. It's my birthday gift, so let's check on it. So let's unpack this. Wow, it's the Centy Toys Explorer Sport. So let's open the pack. Here we go. So this is the scale model. As you see, it's the modified off-road edition version of the Maruti Gypsy. This has a realistic interior and it's a right-hand drive car. So this toy car has off-road tires, spare wheel, adjustable mirrors, extra kit, extra bumper grill, and also the pullback action feature. Did you like the car? If you like, please click the like button and comment your reviews in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell button to get notifications. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.